Hi everyone, today I am doing a nail video. I wanted to try these nail wraps, so I'm like always on Etsy, but I was on Etsy on this store called SoGloss, and I will have it linked in the description box below to anybody who wants to check out the nail wraps that they have. They actually have some pretty cute ones. I'm going to show you the ones that I got, and then I'm going to be putting them on. The ones that I got are these. So you can see the store's name is right there, and then it says nail wraps and that they're heat activated. And what's cool is that it tells you exactly how to do it on the back. I just like the eyes on this one. I thought it was cool. Slipped right out of my hands. And they also send you thank you for your order and how to do it on this card as well. Let me put it a little closer. And then they send you the stuff that you're gonna need, sort of, besides the blow dryer and the nail polish remover, which I also have with me. And then these are the other ones that I got. So I just thought they were kind of cool. So with these ones, the part of your nail that's gonna have the eye or the stripe design on it is right up in here. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's not on the tip. The next ones that I got are these, and I just thought they were so cute and so fun. They're kind of childish. Okay. Which brings me to the next point of their store, the fact that they also have nail wraps for children, which is pretty awesome. The last pair I got are these. And it's basically the same thing as the eye and the striped ones. It goes right up in here on this part of the nail, so not on the tip. The ones I'm going to be using are these, and that's basically because during the, gosh, it's summer now? Okay, during the spring quarter, I was painting my nails, and I forgot to put a base coat on one of the nail polish colors, and it stained my nails yellow, and it's still growing out. So I don't want to like use one of these clear ones while my nails have the yellow on it, because it's just not the type of person I am. So I'm gonna use these, and I don't I picked these ones out for myself. My mom helped me pick the other ones, and I'm such a little kid sometimes, but I don't know, I thought they were super cute, and I love their little faces. So I'm gonna be rocking these for however long. I don't know how long these are gonna last. Hopefully they last a while since they're nail wraps. So the first step, it says lightly buff your nails and then wipe clean with rubbing alcohol or polish remover. Repeat the last part of this step with fresh cotton. So I have my little towel right here. I know in the video I posted about Billy, I called it a carpet. Woo! My bad about that. This is what I'm going to be buffing my nails out with. Wonder how I know when it's buffed. It's a weird feeling. So I think I'm going to buff them all out first and then do the nail polish remover. I should have started with my right hand. I always start with my right hand when I paint my nails, just because I know the left hand is going to end up looking prettier. I don't know if my nails look different. It's supposed to be smoother or something. Oh, whoa. Okay, that was crazy. Okay, I was like, I don't know if it did something or what, but like you can kind of see on the nail buff. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's like you can see the part of my nails that were like buffed out. And the only reason I can see it, I think, is because I do have yellow on my nails. So I can like see what like came off. That's crazy. Alright, I'm gonna do the next hand. I do not like this noise. Like this noise and styrofoam coming out of a box and the sound of Velcro. I don't like those noises. They give me chills. You should like this video because I'm putting up with this noise. I'm just kidding. Get a new cotton ball. Do this side. I don't know if I was supposed to switch cotton balls for each finger, but I'm not going to. I'm just gonna do it like this. I'm sure it'll turn out just fine. They like look healthier or something. I don't know. I don't know what that's about. Okay, hold the sheet over your nails to select the best size. Smaller is better. You do not want the wrap to touch any skin. I already have tiny hands, so you can only imagine how small my nails are. And I just hope I pick the right sizes. Oh wow, look at how small this is. I forgot scissors. Just went and got some. Turn your hairdryer to the hottest setting and heat the selected wrap. Then it says remove the wrap from the sheet. Do not touch the rounded part of the wrap, only touch the very top straight edge. Place the rounded end at your cuticle and lightly tap the wrap into place. I've never done this before, so this is just weird to me. I'm gonna cut it right now. Okay, then it says turn your hairdryer on to the lowest setting and carefully re-warm the wrap. Once the wrap is warm, firmly press the wrap onto your nails and remove all bubbles and wrinkles. And then it says use the light pink side of the file first at a 90-degree angle. File your nail with downward strokes until the extra wrap has been cut off. Then use the dark pink side to smooth the edges. This is the light pink side, dark pink side. It's kind of fun. It's easier than painting nails. Dark pink side. It's gonna take me forever. Oh my god, I love it. It's so cute. This one's done. 1 finger down, 9 to go. Here's what it looks like. It's a weird angle, okay. It's so cute. I like it. That was so fun and easy. Alright, let me find another one. I think what's cool is that they give you more than just 10 stickers for, you know, 5 for your left hand, 5 for your right hand. Because what if you mess up? Woohoo, they're done. Alright, so after doing my nails, I'm really excited about these. I'm excited to see how long they last. Like, I don't know, are they gonna peel or something in the shower? Okay, so I tried the little monster nail wraps for not even like a week. I did it on a Wednesday and then today is Monday. So there's only one that lasted, which is this one. All the rest of them are gone. I peeled them off. I think I was more susceptible to pulling them off. Like, you know how you paint your nails and some people are like, no, I want to like chip them and peel them and stuff right after they got their nails painted. Well, I literally was like, I want to peel these things off. Anyway, and it wasn't just that I peeled them off. It was that like when I took a shower or even when I slept at night, I would wake up and some of them would have already started peeling. So I'm gonna try these ones. And then I had this idea to put top coat on top of it so that it'll stay longer, because I think nail wraps are kind of like either for a day or they're just not for long term, and because it's like basically a sticker on your nail. So that's why I'm going to put the top coat on to see how long that lasts, and I think it's going to work a lot better. So this is the one I'm using. And I got this one from Rite Aid, if you were wondering. So I'm just gonna take this one off and prepare this nail, because I've already prepared all of my other nails. I was kind of disappointed that like those ones didn't last too long because they were like so different, and I like those ones a lot, but you know, whatever. That's how it goes sometimes. Things don't last forever. And my nails might still be a little yellow from the last time I painted them, but I don't care because all I have left are the clear ones anyway, so I just have to try this out. So like right off the bat, like what I like about these is that it's split up halfway through. I don't know if you guys can see, like that it's kind of like you can cut it right there, and that's the halfway point. The monster ones did not have that. It was just kind of all green, and just had to wing it and hope that you had enough for the other nail. So that's cool. Right now I'm just sizing my finger, my thumb, and it says to go a little smaller, but after doing the monster ones I'm just like really making sure, because it's not supposed to touch your skin. So I think these are pretty cool for if you have to get ready and you want your nails done, but you can't go get them done at the moment, or you don't know, like, or you can't like paint them fast enough yourself. These are probably a cool option if you needed your nails done for at least like a day. I'm gonna put all of them on first, and then I'm gonna do the top coat. And I guess the reason why I want them to last so long is because, I don't know, I feel like they should. It's just how you want your nails to be when you get them done. You want them to last a while. So that's why I'm like, well, maybe the top coat will help it stay on a little more. You know what I mean? I finished. I don't know if you can tell that I put a top coat on it. I feel like they might stay longer, so I'm excited. Now they just have to dry. And that's pretty much it for this vlog. So hope you like seeing the 2 nail wraps that I chose to try first. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and click the bell, and give this video a like if you liked it, and I will have SoGloss's Etsy store link down below in the description box. Thanks for watching. See you next time.